Hello and welcome to a new episode of the AMAnews for the month May 2023. And we will start with search engine optimization and with a SERP search engine result page for the European marketplaces. You will find 4 in a row in some 48 organic slots and 12 ad slots. And the interesting thing here is, since a few months, I always finding in the United States a SERP with 4 results in a row. But when you count all, still 48 organic slots and 12 ad slots. But that means that, for example, the first organic slot is not directly down under the first ad slot, it's on the right side. So maybe the second organic slot will get more and more clicks after all. Then Amazon has rolled out a new feature in the mobile app, and maybe that could end Amazon SEO. Of course, when you click on that little button here, you will see directly more products like this. You don't have to search again and start a new search. You can directly go through that more like this products. I really think that feature could change a lot of things. Maybe when they roll it out completely, there are ad slots in it or else, and at the moment it's not clear how to be part of that more like this shown products. Next section is content, and in the content section we are seeing a lot of tests in the US, in Europe, and so a lot of things I'm showing you right now maybe aren't live anymore, but it's not only about the title that is moving from left to right or is shown bold, or only the brands are shown bold. What we have seen is, in a few categories you will not see the bullet points anymore, and that is an interesting point. Okay, so have a look on your category, especially in Europe we have seen this. If your bullet points are shown. We know it from the mobile view that the bullet points are hidden anyway, but on the desktop that is absolutely new. Last but not least, in the section content, Amazon has rolled out the popular mentions with percentages. That is quite cool, so you can directly see if it has a high ranking or low ranking with a percentage. And when you click on it, that's really cool how many mentions are in there, how many percentage, and you can directly read through the sentence connected to the topic. That is really cool from the customer point of view, to understand the listing, the data, and the content, and the functions and features, and the judging of other customers through reviews. In the section advertising, there's one information we needed, that custom image for sponsored brand ads is available, I think now since over 2 years. Long time it was just only a beta. Now it's more prominent directly when you're setting up your sponsored brands, but Amazon now adds a few informations, including a lifestyle image can help boost performance. And when you click on the stars for the opportunity information, campaigns that use a custom image in sponsored brands ads on mobile see over 30% higher click-through rate compared to those that use only products. That is absolutely incredible, so don't miss that opportunity. If you liked it so far, just follow our channel on YouTube, subscribe and ring the bell, and of course use the AMALYZE extension for your Amazon business. Then the next part is marketing. only short information here. The coupon subscribe and save coupons comes now with a special discount, so you can discount your subscribe and save for the first order, and it looks like that. You're finding that down here on the left side, 15% extra off when you subscribe, and you're seeing it here, save an extra 15% on your first subscribe and save order. That could be really cool to find more customers entering your subscribe and save program. There are also marketplace news, but only short to mention, but really insightful. You can now find more data in the search query details dashboard for your selected search query. You can now view the performance of the top 10 ASINs and compare them to your selected ASIN directly in the dashboard. That is really cool. So you open up search query performance, open up your specific ASIN, and then click on one search query, and you will find all the insights about the search query itself, the data for your ASIN, and then for the top 10 ASINs, the title, the brand, the ASIN, and price, impressions, impression share, clicks, and click share. That is really helpful on the one side to understand which product targets you could advertising on the other side the price range, but also for the impression share and click share, and you can compare it to yourself and figuring out on what products you should focus on, or where you can steal clicks or impressions by better positions, or setting up more advertising on ASIN level or on keyword level. That was the AMAnews for May 2023.